Good morning, guy. Here, Michael Mark again, and welcome to my channel, Nachos and Inspiration. So, let's start it. Okay, you can see today morning in Smith Farm, North Carolina, in Sterling Village, and you can see this morning very early. You can see the sunrise every morning and sunset every evening, right? And the mornings always have a fresh air and refresh the mind to start it, and then another opportunity to start it. Every day it news, every day it opportunities, every day it night, every day it is beautiful. So we can start anytime, any place, anywhere. The problem is cannot start because the mindset is going wrong. When you get the right mindset, same thing like sun, sunset and sunrise. Okay. Sunrise is so beautiful and get harder and prior. But sunset beautiful too. And they're going down, right? It don't mean like going down forever. We still have the morning, every tomorrow, tomorrow after tomorrow. Tomorrow is opportunity. Tomorrow is opportunity. Tomorrow is opportunity. I keep repeat all this, but we have to have some whatever's in our mind to correct it, to make commitment. What do we really want it? Just thinking, what do we really want it in our life? Especially it put into the dream. What is your dream? What is you so dreaming about? And what is you so passionate about? Have to find your dream and passion to start it. When you find the right passion and your dream, you can be able to start your life to change it. Something like sunrise, you see, get prior, beautiful, but you have to set up your goal. Okay, what is your goal? What is your destination? How far you go? And how can you reach your destination? So, find your passion, whatever you like, it doesn't matter. You love to do it, but your passion, it means you doing over and over, like the man love music, like to play guitar, and he keep practice over and over every day, never get tired of it. He love it. Same thing like me, like I love guitar. Keep practice every day, never get tired of it. It means that your passion. Just go on and start it, and then find your dream, what you want to become, and what is where is your goal. What do you want to be? Your futures will be exactly what you decide to make it. It's on your hand anytime. You control your life anytime. You can drive your life. If you work for somebody else, you're only helping them to achieve their goal and dream. It's not your dream. It's not your goal. not yours. You have you find, you have to find your own. Start little, dream big, and start little. You know the ripple effect. A little drop affects everything surrounding. Something like you. If you start a little, try to do it. It's not gonna be perfect, but give yourself a time, give yourself a try, over and over. Trust me, you will be better. You will be no more. Something like the path in the wood. You cannot find the path, the ways. Give yourself a time and then clear out the path. You will find the others. So if you find your passion, will be automatically you will put a lot of effort in your time. You know, every second it take your life away. You will put all your time into it. Trust me, and you will focus on it. Like Samson play guitar. If something wrong, you're not playing very well, you keep focus on it and then try it again because and it means like effort never die. No, it means like opportunity fail. It means for attempt in learning. Trust me, you will find a way. It means you will correct it because every action you do it, every activity, every motivating from whatever you're doing, you're motivating you. It will correct you everything automatically. That how humanity, something like animal too, they know. Find the food, they know where to go, they know where to sleep. Something. But we are human. We have the very intelligent brain. It can think. It can do anything we want it. Alright guys, I hope this can help you to start something like sunrise. You see, get prior and prior and beautiful, beautiful. Later on, they will take off and take off the whole form. You will be see, you will see very clear. But right now, you look at the beautiful, the golden form. Everywhere it's so beautiful because the sun is not just take it one step to be a full sunlight, but the sun is taking time, you know, to pride the world. Every morning, the sun teaches the lesson to learn from it. They're telling us it's getting dark, but there will be had sunlight, very bright back. But don't worry, just keep doing it again and again. You will be better. You will be completely changed if you find your passion. Something like sunrise and sunset, they do it over and over and over. It affects each other, like the ripple effect. As long, again, you find your passion, automatically afford it. Will be automatically keep trying, do it over and over. And then trust me, you will focus on it. And then wrong or right way, they will correct it automatically. It's not you correct it, but this is how nature works and how the mind works. The mind very intelligent, correct everything. But if you want to try your life, You have to fit the mind about the passion. The mind they will find the way. The mind is mastermind will lead you to the sunlight, to the price of your action and your life. All right, that's all about I share here, Michael Mark. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to click the bell and give me support and subscribe my channel. All right, thank you. We'll see you guys on the next video. Yeah, bye bye now.